How to start a business internationally. For example, 20% of students on Udemy are from India. So they would Google starting a business in India. And you'll see that the government website offers plenty of information that you could use in order to sign up and register a business. To work with wholesalers, all you need to do is prove that you have a legitimate business. Once you set up a business in India, you are legitimizing your business and you could do business anywhere in the world. If you want to do business in the US, for example, call the manufacturer who produces the item you want to sell, introduce yourself by name and the name of your company and where your business is located. They'll give you a list of wholesalers you can work with in India or wherever you want to. I'm not a lawyer or an accountant and I cannot give you legal advice. When you use Google, this information, you'll be connected to your government website. So make sure it's a legitimate government website, because you don't need to pay anybody to file this paperwork in order to become a legitimate business. The government will show you step by step for free and give you in-depth information in order to legitimize your business. This will enable you to get products at wholesale prices and work with legitimate wholesalers internationally to start dropshipping products to your customers anywhere in the world.